Right now, more than half of the calls coming into small businesses never get answered. And for 62% of these calls, the caller doesn't leave any voicemail. They just ring your competitor instead. So today, I'm setting up an AI that answers every single call, day or night. It sounds just like a real person, and callers can't tell the difference between it and a real receptionist. It's GoHighLevel's voice AI, and right now you can actually try it for free for 30 days. I'm Sen from Startup Wise. Let's get into it. Now, first of all, here's why most missed calls cost you more than you think. A lot of business owners think missed calls isn't really a big deal. They think that the person will just leave them a voicemail or they'll just call them back later. But 62% of calls to small businesses never get answered. And of the people who don't get through, 85% will actually never call you back. That's because majority of them have gone to your competitor instead. So if you think about all the missed calls that you've missed every single month, you're probably losing quite a lot of money. In fact, in the US, around $126,000 is lost to small businesses just because of missed calls. So having an AI receptionist fixes the actual problem because it answers every call 24/7 and it can pick up in under a second. What's crazy is that it costs a lot less than hiring a full-time human receptionist because that will probably set you back £2,800 to £3,500 a month just in their salary. But having a GoHighLevel voice AI agent, their plans start at $50 a month for just 100 minutes in calls, or $97 a month for the unlimited plan. GoHighLevel says that 2026 voice AI answers in under 600 milliseconds, and it also runs on GPT-5 Mini, so most callers can't tell the difference. In fact, they can't even tell that they're talking to AI. Some agencies running this say that they're getting 30 to 40% more bookings from the exact same calls. So let's get started. First of all, really make sure that you have a GoHighLevel account and make sure that you have a phone number connected as well. And if you join the Summer of AI trial, you'll be able to enable the voice AI agent and set this up with no problems. However, if you've used a voice AI on your account within the last 90 days, you won't be eligible for the Summer of AI trial. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'm on the dashboard view. Now I'm going to click to the side and I'm going to click on AI agents, and then I'm going to go onto the voice AI tab. Now I'm going to click on create agent on the side. And then as we can see, there's a bunch of information here. I'm going to click on the voice and I'm going to check out the different voice agents within here. Now, as you can see, there's quite a lot of options that we have available to us. There's Dakota, there's Hope, Erin as well. All of these voices come from 11 Labs, and I really like Dakota, so I'm going to select her and save the voice. Now, as we can see, I've got a whole bunch of information here about the agent's role and the objectives, as well as how it handles the calls, general rules, as well as how I would like the general structure of the calls to flow. If I want to add in any more information, there's a prompt optimizer as well, and I can even add in my own knowledge bases that I create and upload here as well. If I go into the knowledge base tab, I can actually click on create knowledge base, and I can enter in any kind of information that I want the AI voice agent to have. And then once it's there, I'll add in some few details, click add, and the knowledge base is there. I can also upload any of my own files and upload them into this knowledge base section. So as you can see, there's a lot of information that we can give to the AI voice agent, which makes it sound like a real life receptionist. Once the files are inside, I can just upload them, and right there you can see it pops up. Now I'm going to go back to the tab room on before, and I'm going to select one of the knowledge base options, which I made before. So all the information is there. Okay, so once we've set that up, it's now time to set the goals. Okay, so we've added all the information that we have for the voice AI agent, and now it's important for us to implement and talk about the different goals that we're going to add in. So here's a few of them. Gather contact information. I'm going to change that. I'm going to put appointment booking instead, as well as a lead qualification, as well as capturing information about the person who's calling. And then there's a couple of logic and rules as well about how the calls should be handled. And then I've also got the general rules at the bottom. On the side, you can actually add a bunch of different actions that the AI voice agent can have. And I'm going to say test the personal calendar. And there's different behaviors that we can have and select when it comes to how it books and collects information. So as I said, there's a few general rules here as well. And I can even add in my own information. So I can even have call transfer rules in case I need the AI agent to transfer any calls. And again, we have a new action, which is the call transfer. And I can add that in. If I add in the action name, add in the phone number to transfer to. Here you'll insert your number and any other optional information as well. And you can give instructions about when the call transfer should take place. So I'm going to say when the client is marked as lead qualified, or I can ask explicitly for human intervention. And then in here, I'm going to type in what the AI voice agent should say. I'm going to hit save. and then it's now updated. And as we can see here on the side panel, there's a bunch more options to add in as well. Okay, so now on paper, you've got an AI receptionist. You've got the voice, the brain, even the calendar and actions that it's going to take. But right now, none of this means anything until it picks up a real call and books a real person. So that's exactly what we're now going to do. Okay, so now I'm going to set up a live web call. So I'm going to click on the Start Web Call button.
Hey, you have reached SAC. How can I help you today?
I need an appointment for tomorrow, 10 o'clock.
Tomorrow, Friday, June 26th, I have a slot available at 10 a.m. Would you like to book that time? If you prefer, there are also openings at 11:30 a.m. and 1 p.m. Let me know which works for you. Just checking in. Are you still interested in booking the 10 a.m. slot for tomorrow? Would you like to hear more options? Let me know how you'd like to proceed.
Yes, 10 a.m. sounds good.
Great. I'll reserve the 10 a.m. slot for you tomorrow. I have your name as guest visitor 002A. Is that correct? And I see we have your email as comsyandlucky@gmail.com. Is that right? Lastly, I have your phone number as +1 234 5678. Are all these details correct?
Yes.
You're all set for tomorrow, Friday, June 26th at 10 a.m. Thanks for confirming your details. Our team will reach out if anything changes, but you're good to go. Have a great day.
Nice one. So as we can just see right there, it's working perfectly. And it sounds pretty human, which is quite crazy to think. And then we can see the transcript here and the summary as well for you to check out whenever you come back to office. I'm going to hit save, and it's saved within the database. And that right there is a receptionist that answered, qualified, and booked in a call with nobody at the desk. Now, let's make this worth a lot more than just $97 a month. Here's how to turn this into a money machine. Okay, so we can actually set up a workflow when you're done. So you can click on the post-call actions, select workflow, but nothing's in there yet. And then just select the recipients as all admins. Then go to the top, select actions, and then go on to send SMS. And then in here, you can add in whatever action name you want to call it. I'm just going to call it SMS after call completion. And I'm going to put in the details about what message to put this up. Actually, a better name is SMS follow-up. And then I'm going to type in the message to text through. And then I'm going to type in what time the SMS delivery should take place. And then I'm going to hit save. Oh, actually, I need to fill out this quiet tab. So this is basically what to say before sending the SMS. I'm going to type in this option as well. Click save. And then we've now got the post-action workflow set up. You can go back in and manually edit any options that you want as well. What's also great is the fact that this AI voice agent can actually detect the speaker's language. So it can actually switch, whether it's English, Spanish, French, whatever language, it can switch into to understand your leads a lot better. Now, if you're an agency, here's the play of how to use this to make a lot more money. You can actually white label it as your own service because the wholesale cost is around 6 cents a minute plus the AI usage. This is good because you can rebill your clients at 15 to 25 cents a minute or just package it as a flat monthly service. Just use HighLevel snapshots to set a new client up in minutes instead of hours. Build it once and then sell it again and again and again. And that right there is the full thing. The receptionist, the automation behind it, and the way to actually make money with it. However, there's one thing left, and this week there's a real reason to take action. GoHighLevel is running the Summer of AI promo right now. You get Voice AI free for 30 days, as long as you haven't used it in the last 90 days. You also get 5 AI co-pilots free all summer. These are Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI. And from July 13th to July 19th only, you get 50% off your first 3 months. However, after July 19th, that 50% off will be gone, so make sure to act fast. All the links in the description and pinned comment down below. Now, we do use affiliate links, and it's how we keep making free videos like this at no extra cost to you. So if you do use them, thanks a lot. I'm Sen from Startup Wise. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.